In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot connector for ChatGPT with Marketing Hub. First, sign into your HubSpot account and land on the home screen. Make sure you're in the right workspace for your Marketing Hub data and that you have permissions to install apps. From the main navigation, head to the Marketplace. If you see a Marketplace or App Marketplace option in the top bar, that's the one you want. Inside the Marketplace, open the Apps section. In the search bar, type HubSpot connector for ChatGPT. When the listing appears, open it and click Install. Before we proceed, here's what this connector does for you. It securely links ChatGPT to your HubSpot data, so you can pull in contacts, companies, deals, lists, emails, and campaign insights directly into a conversation. That means you can ask for quick summaries, draft marketing emails with real CRM context, surface campaign performance, and save time moving between tools. The connector only accesses what you authorize and follows HubSpot's and ChatGPT's permission frameworks. After clicking Install, you'll be routed to ChatGPT to complete the connection. On the ChatGPT connectors page, click Connect, then select Connect HubSpot. This begins a standard, secure OAuth handshake between the two services. A HubSpot window will open asking you to choose an account. Select the correct HubSpot account by checking the box beside it, then click Choose Account. If you manage multiple environments, double-check you're selecting the one tied to your Marketing Hub data. Next, you'll see the Access screen. Here, choose what the HubSpot connector for ChatGPT can access in your account. In this example, we'll select All to enable the full marketing and CRM context, but you can tailor access to your team's needs. Remember, you can revisit these permissions later if you want to narrow scope. Only the data types you approve will be available to ChatGPT, and the connector can't reach beyond those boundaries. Scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box, and then click Connect App to finalize. You should see a confirmation in ChatGPT that the connector is active. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the Connectors tab or reopen the listing. That's it. Your HubSpot connector for ChatGPT is now set up and ready to enhance your Marketing Hub workflows with faster insights and AI-assisted content grounded in your CRM. If you run into issues, verify you have app install permissions, disable pop-up blockers for the authorization step, and confirm you're logged into the correct HubSpot account. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.